For question 1, we're looking at the APCalendar class. It has a private static boolean method is leap year that returns true if years leap year and false otherwise. It has a public static int number of leap years method that returns the number of leap years between year 1 and year 2 inclusive. It has a private static int first day year method that returns the value representing the day of the week for the first day of the year, where 0 denotes Sunday, 1 denotes Monday, and so on down to 6 denoting Saturday. It has a private static int method day of year that returns n, where month, day, and year specify the nth day of the year, or returned 1 for January 1st. And finally, it has a public static int day of week method that returns the value representing the day of the week for the given date, where 0 denotes Sunday, 1 denotes Monday, and 6 denotes Sunday. For question 1a, we're writing the static method number of leap years, which returns the number of leap years between year 1 and year 2 inclusive. In order to calculate this value, a helper method is provided for you. Is leap year returns true if a year is a leap year and false otherwise. For the code for 1a, you're writing public static int number of leap years, initialize an initial num leap years variable to 0, you loop through the range of the years, so for int I equal year 1, I less than year 2, I++, increment num leap years defines a leap year, and then finally at the end, return num leap years. I normally make videos covering Python, Java, and JavaScript, so if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe.